Hi, I'm Sam Clift. Welcome to my channel. I combine art and mindset to really get the most out of your creativity. On this channel, I'll be uploading tip videos and tutorials, and I have an art and mindset membership that has the real-time tutorials as well as mindset support. In this video, I'm going to be going through the importance of blending. I'm drawing a white flower on white paper, and so it's really important to get those subtle nuances, those changes in colour that make up white, which we all know is actually different colours all put together, and then the brain fills in the difference. So I'm going to show you the video of created this daisy, and I really hope you enjoy it. I'm using the Caran d'Ache white pencil, the Luminance, because it's wax-based and it's brilliant for blending. So starting off in the lightest parts, just making sure that you don't get any of the darker parts. It will go onto the tip of the pencil a little bit, so just making sure you don't transfer what you don't want to. So going from the light to the dark, and then really blending a few times, not pressing very hard, so we're not burnishing the paper, still using a light hand, and it will blend really easily because these pencils are so soft and so creamy. So you can just see now that it's starting to soften, it's starting to look a little bit smoother. And moving on to the next one, all of the little lines that I've put in that look quite grainy, and you can see every single pencil stroke, now they're all starting to soften and blur and blend together and give that texture, which is what I'm looking for in the petal. So again, going from light into the dark, and then making sure that I'm blurring the edges and blending the lines, cleaning the tip as I go, just wiping it on a clean piece of tissue or something just to get any of the darker colour off, because we want to be in control as much as we can whilst we're blending these colours together. And moving on to the edges as well, and you can use the pencil to tone the edge. We're working on white paper, which is slightly off white, but it can tone the edges and it will really show up. So here we go, I've zoomed in and you can really see the difference. The top three petals, if you look at the midline and to the left, they are blended, and then to the right of it you can see how much darker that is and how much more grainy it looks. So I'm going to be working my way around the flower doing the same thing, and then I will probably go in and darken up a little bit with maybe a warm grey 5 just to accentuate some of the darker points and just to tidy up some of the edges of the shadows that need to be quite precise. But I think you can see the difference. It's quite amazing. I've been using coloured pencils for 5 years now and I'm still astounded. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and see the importance of blending. I did blend before, I always kind of heard that term, and I think I did it to a certain extent, but I think this is just a whole new level of blending. So if you've blended, then probably blend a little bit more if there's a little bit of graininess left over, and you really will see the difference. If you did like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will leave the link to my membership in the description box if you wanted to have a look at that as well. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.